want to know how to analyze match results the right way in 2026. In this video, I'll show you step by step how I analyze match results and predict the outcome. So guys, we'll be focusing on the French Ligue 1 and I'll be making an example using the following teams, which are Lyon vs FC Nantes. So guys, checking the teams tables, the table from the league. So guys, I want to inform you this. Right now, I know most of the teams, the last 5 matches from both teams, we are starting with the tables to see how the teams are performing. So right now, as you're checking the table, we can see that Lyon is number 3, while Nantes is number 16. So this tells us that Lyon is performing well and there might be a higher probability of Lyon winning the match, and Nantes is really struggling and there might be a higher probability of it losing or drawing depending on how they perform that match. So yeah guys, right now we are jumping into the last 5 matches. After that, I'm gonna show you the outcome, right? So jumping on the last 5 matches on 23, 12, 20, we can all see that our market worked, guys. Our market worked, guys. Can you see that? Our market worked. The first match. So guys, right now the market of which we'll obviously be focusing on, as I said, is the match results. So we'll obviously be saying Lyon to win the rest of the match, Lyon to win, and here we can see that it worked, guys. Our market worked. So yeah, jumping on the next match on 24, 04, 07, we can all see that our market worked again, guys. This is good. Our market worked again. It really worked, guys. Can you see that? So yeah, the market of which you could also try to really place a bet on if you really want to try new things, and I'll be making a video of it in the future. So here you can see that Lyon to score, because obviously a team can't win if it doesn't score. So Lyon over 0.5. That's one of the markets of which you could try to bet on if you really want to try something new. Maybe you feel like the match results or the overs aren't working for you, the both teams to score aren't working for you. You could really try new markets. They are there on my playlist. You could check them on there, how to analyze. So yeah, let's jump on now. Let's get back to our topic. Our market right here. So right now, moving on the next match on 24, 10, 06, we can all see that our market worked again in a very wonderful way. So you could see that Lyon's got 2 goals. As I said, guys, a team can win without scoring, right? So here you can see that that market of Lyon over 0.5 could work here. Is the average odds around maybe 1.23 or 1.50 depending on the team's performance, right? So yeah, sometimes it's not there because the team is obviously performing well, scores almost over 2.5 or 1.5 goals every match, every game. So yeah, here you can see that our market worked. So jumping on the next match on 25, 01, 26, we can all see that our market didn't work this time. Our market did not work, but again, the market of which I was telling you about worked here. If you just take a closer look at Lyon's scores, right, you can see it scored the first half. Not over 0.5 Lyon scored there, but let me not focus on that market. I'm focusing on it in the future video, which I'll be giving you guys or uploading. So yeah, here you can see that our market didn't work, but let's not lose hope and jump on the next match on 25, 11, 30. We can see that our market worked, guys. Our market worked. It worked, guys. Should not lose hope. Our market worked. We can see that worked in a very good way. So yeah, guys, as we were analyzing, we realized that market worked 4 times in the last 5 matches, right? And I told you guys that I'm gonna show you the outcome. When I say the outcome, you realize that we analyzed, right? Right now we're checking the results. They were playing, I don't know whether it was on Saturday. Yeah, they were playing on last week Saturday. So here are the results as you are checking right now. Can you see the match? Like, can you see this? Leon won the match 1-0. They scored the first one on the second half. First half. Then the second, they didn't score any goals. They just defended. They just played for defense. So yeah, guys, to show you that what I'm talking about is really working. Here are the results. They played yesterday. They played. So yeah, they obviously won 1-0. So yeah, that's the outcome, guys. That's the outcome I was really talking about. So guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tips and strategies.